Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study chemistry tricks step by step. Begin by listing key topics and prioritize them by difficulty, then schedule short study blocks with breaks. Focus on understanding concepts, not memorizing facts, and apply active recall by testing yourself. Rotate topics to avoid fatigue and use simple experiments or diagrams to visualize reactions, bonds, and mechanisms for deeper learning and retention. Work actively by solving problems, teaching aloud, and sketching mechanisms as you study to anchor concepts. Read a short section, then close the book and try to solve a related problem or explain the idea in plain language. Use index cards for key equations and reactions, and recall them during short breaks. Mixing practice with explanation helps identify weak spots quickly and builds confidence for exams and lab work. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more study tips and tricks. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is great for setting study timers, playing focus music, and controlling your study lights without leaving your desk. It's compact, affordable, and handy during study sessions. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Use mnemonics, visuals, and spaced repetition to make chemistry concepts stick in your memory. Convert long lists into memorable phrases, color code notes by topic, and use flashcards for formulas and reagents. Review cards in increasing intervals to strengthen recall, and quiz yourself under timed conditions to mimic exam pressure. Combine visuals with verbal explanations to engage multiple memory systems and improve long-term retention of tricky material.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.